Oh, who's there? What's that? Oh, I was asleep there. Today I think I'll find a new home to conquer. Yep. Yes, I will. Wake up, GD. Time to go hunt. They call me
The Grave Digger.
My friends call me GD, but my enemies call me the Grumpy Grave Digger. I like watching horror movies, hanging out in cemeteries, and of course, crushing cars whenever I get the chance. Because of my big tires, four-wheel drive, and huge engine, I can go anywhere, even in the snow. Sometimes I travel great distances to find new challenges and land to conquer. Oh look, a mud pit up ahead. Easy peasy. Time to dominate some hill climbing. Whoa! Get some, get some, get some, get some. When you got about 1,000 horsepower, hill climbing is no sweat. Looks like I'm running low on fuel. Time to find a place to sleep for the night. Quick! Hurricane Zane is on my tail! Time for me to get out of here! Oh no, it's tornado trip! That was a close one. Hey you, come here. I said get back here.
Where you at? Come on, let's race. Come on, where you at? Come on, let's race. Come on, let's race.
Silly pest. I got no time for him.
Huh?
Wait, what? This is what I've been looking for. Yay! So snuggly buggly wuggly. Megalodon! Megalodon hungry! Megalodon must feed on cars and find new land to conquer. Snow is no match for Megalodon tires. Ha ha! Megalodon! Megalodon is fastest in all the land. Ha ha! Oh, Megalodon! Megalodon! Megalodon says move! Megalodon eat branch! Branch lucky, Megalodon have no time. Megalodon! Megalodon! Megalodon turn! Megalodon turn! Megalodon climb hill like butter on cake. Megalodon stuck. Ha! Megalodon kid. Megalodon never stuck. Megalodon! Megalodon! Oh, Megalodon! Megalodon turn! Megalodon Spinaroonie! Megalodon, the fastest there is!
Megalodon getting tired. Oh, Megalodon tired of getting stuck. Nothing can stop the Megalodon! Megalodon sees home to conquer! Haha! Megalodon has come to conquer your land! Fight, Megalodon, or get your tires eaten off!
You've come to the wrong place, buddy, for I am Gravedigger, and I fear no monster truck. Now come get some of this monster truck jujitsu.
Megalodon, bite!
On the previous episode of Monster Truck Adventures.
Haha, Megalodon has come to conquer your land. Fight, Megalodon, or get your tires eaten off.
You've come to the wrong place, buddy, for I am Gravedigger, and I fear no monster truck. Now come get some of this monster truck jujitsu.
Megalodon, bite!
Alright, listen up, Tuna Breath. This is what I propose. We settle this with an old school 6-round monster truck challenge. Winner takes all. What do you say? Do you think you're truck enough to face the Gravedigger? Chump!
Megalodon more than tough enough. Megalodon eat you up and you out.
For the first event, we will drag race to the end of the tree line. Last one there's a rotten tailpipe. Ready? Go!
Megalodon! Megalodon, Megalodon, Megalodon!
Oh, look who's in the lead. Hey, stay in your lane.
Megalodon, bite!
Hey, what are you doing?
Megalodon, attack! Oh!
Good going, Megalodork. Now we have to do it all over again.
Megalodon, play with his food before he eat it. Megalodon! Megalodon, Megalodon, Megalodon!
You have to keep
You are
screaming
no
that.
match for Megalodon tires! Oh! Megalodon stuck!
You were saying something about those tires?
Come back here! Megalodon, get revenge!
See you at the finish line, Tuna Breath. You know, at the winner circle. The next event is simple. Jump as far as you can. Now sit back and watch how a real pro does it. Ooh. Now let's see how he does. Oh no, I'm stuck.
Megalodon! Megalodon, jump! Looks like Megalodon back in winner circle. I like them apples.
Get off of me, fish face. This isn't over. Next up is the agility course. The object is to maneuver around each brick to see which truck is lighter on their tires. But hey, at least you got second place.
Megalodon second to no monster truck.
Yeah, we'll just see about that. I have to win this round to stay in the event. Come on, GD. Time to show 'em what you're made of.
Your mama didn't raise no sissy truck. Megalodon big tires make it hard to move. Megalodon eat brick.
Yay! I'm the winner! Ooh. Now on to round 4, the hill climb. Whoever climbs up this hill the furthest wins the round. Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Megalodon don't need luck. Megalodon outclimb you in his sleep. Megalodon, try again. Megalodon!
Whoa, easy there, Megalodump. I've been dealing with your stinky exhaust all day. Time to show you how a real professional does it. Whoa, wait. Let me try again. Oh, wait. Try one more time.
Ha! Megalodon
You are
wins
so
again.
lucky, buddy. Well, we made it to the final 2 rounds of the challenge. This is the balance beam. Whoever can drive furthest without losing balance wins. Think you can handle that? Or is that prehistoric brain just too small?
Megalodon win last round. Megalodon win this round. Megalodon gonna win next round and destroy Gravedigger. Ha ha.
You know, your mama should have named you Megalopuke.
Ha! Your name Gravedigger.
Should have been Nose Picker. Ha ha ha. Huh, Nose Picker, huh? Oh, hey, Megalodon. Your tailpipe's showing.
Wait, what? Oh!
Now, I just need to drive further than him. I can tie this whole thing up heading into the last round. You can do this. We'll show him what Nose Picker, Gravedigger is all about. Just need the focus to bring this victory home to Papa.
Megalodon's gonna eat you like child eats booger.
And I won. Woohoo! In your face, Megalodon.
Oh no! Gravedigger lucky. So, we've made it to the 6th and final round, the death match. Rules? There are no rules. The only way to win is to knock your opponent off his tires. Are you ready? Megalodon always ready. Fight!
Let's get it, big boy. I got a monster truck roundhouse that has a date with your face.
Megalodon fight!
Wait, where am I?
Megalodon hungry!
I'm still in it.
Megalodon gonna eat Gravedigger like guppy guts. Megalodon! Megalodon!
Hey, quit moving.
Hey,
Come back
Megalodon!
here. Where'd you go?
Hey, Megalodon!
Quit moving before I get really mad.
Megalodon, tear you new tailpipe! Megalodon! Oh!
Oh, time to go in for the kill. Whoa! Take that! Take that! Whoa! Yeah! Ninja Master prevails. Whoa! This is the day of the Gravedigger. Take that. Alright, Megalodon. Time to take your butt back to the waters where you belong.
Megalodon be back. Just wait.
Oh no, you won't!
Megalodon boosters engage.
Yeah, you better run, Megalodon. You better hope I don't catch you. Oh no, I just realized I'm low on fuel. I better turn back soon.
Megalodon turn. Megalodon turn. Megalodon turn.
What is he doing?
Megalodon bite.
Oh!
Megalodon bite. Now it's Megalodon's turn. Megalodon must feed. Megalodon bite.
Oh! What are you doing, Megalodon?
Megalodon's gonna eat you alive. Ah!
That's it. I'm out of here.
Come back here. There's no escaping Megalodon.
Somebody get this psycho away from me.
Come here. Megalodon. 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 Megalodon, bite! Hey, come back here, face me like a real monster truck. Hey, who's that? Oh! Megalodon! Megalodon, Megalodon, Megalodon! Megalodon destroy Gravedigger! Where are you?
I'm them right here.
So in the end, Megalodon and Gravedigger ended up in a tie.
Hey,
But let's not tell them that.
Spinny Rooney on your face.
And we'll see you next time on the next episode of Monster Truck Adventures.
Hey, you! Megalodon says click subscribe.